friends, and welcome to another fun day of math. It's me, Miss Allen, and I'm ready for another great day of learning along with you. Today, we are going to be doing more review. Remember, we review to remember all the things that we've learned so we can keep it fresh in our brain so that we don't forget any of the awesome things we've done so far in kindergarten. I'm going to be singing our review song. Feel free to sing along with me if you would like to. We review to remember all the things that we've learned. We review to remember all the things that we've learned. Oh yes, we've learned an awful lot, and we've really got a shot. We review to remember all the things that we've learned. And guess what? Today we're going to be doing even more review. I'm so excited. Part of our review is that we are going to be building numbers. So at the top, you're going to see my 3 green stickies, and these are the numbers that we're going to be using our 10 sticks and our 1 cubes. So I need your help in helping me to build these numbers. Say out loud, what number is this? 1. You got it. Easiest one. I'm going to use a 10 cube to build that number. 1. And we're done. Next one, 4. Can I use any 10 cubes to help me build 4? No, I need to use ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cool stuff. Next, friends, we're going to be building the number 9. Can I use a 10 stick to build 9? No, because there's not yet 10. There's one less than 10, so I still need to use my 1 cubes. Let's count together. 1, 2, ooh, that one's a little tricky for me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oops. And last but not least, 9. I'm going to squeeze it in all the way at the top. I think I'm going to try. There we go. Perfect. Really quickly, friends, which one has the most cubes underneath? 1, 4, or 9? Which one has the most? 9. 9 has quite a few underneath it. Awesome. So 9 is more than 1 and 4. Perfect. Let's see what's next. Oh, awesome. These numbers are the next ones we're going to build. 10, 13, and 15. Now, friends, when we're building the number 10, can we use a 10 stick? We sure can, because how many are in a 10 stick? 10 altogether, and we're trying to build 10, so we only need one 10 stick. We don't need to add any more. We don't need to take any more away, because we already know that there's 10 in the one stick. Perfect. Let's try to build 13. Can I use a 10 stick to build 13? I sure can, because 13 is bigger than 10. So we know there's 10 here. Let's pull over some ones to get to 13. 11, 12, 13. Easy peasy. It's so nice when you get to use a 10 stick because you already know that there's 10 here. So you just need to count on 11, 12, 13. So 13 is a 10 plus 3 extra ones. Let's try 15 next. Can I use a 10 stick for 15? Sure can, because 15 is bigger than 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So 15 is 10 plus 5 ones. 15. Great work. We have one more slide to do, and these ones are going to be tricky because they're a little bit bigger than our other examples were, but I know that we can do it. To make 17, do you think we can use a 10 stick? We sure can, because it's bigger than 10, so we know there's already 10 in it. So let's keep counting on. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and one more equals 17. So we know that 17 is a 10 stick plus how many extra ones? 7 extra ones. Awesome job. Now in your brain, I know that you know, there's a 10 stick in 19 because it's bigger than 10, but I want you to take a guess. How many extra ones am I going to need to pull over to get to 19? We know there's already 10 here. How many more ones am I going to need to get over to 19? Take a guess. Let's go ahead and check it. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and I'm going to try to squeeze one more in at the top, 19. Woo, that one was a lot of work, but we did it. I did it thanks to you. So 19 is a 10 stick, and how many ones did we pull over? 9. Very good. Was that what your guess was? Interesting. Last but not least, let's try our best to make 20. I know that there is at least one 10 stick in 20 because it's bigger than 10. Now, do I need to pull over 10 more cubes, or do you think I can just add one more 10 cube to get to 20? I can just add one more 10 cube because this is 10 plus 10 more equals 20. Good job. So like I said, friends, this is a lot of review, but it's always good to keep it fresh in our brain. Next, we are going to be playing a game. This game is called the Unknown Partner Game. We're going to be playing with partners of the number 8. So down here, I already have 8 circles. You can trust me. I counted and counted and counted. There are 8 circles down here. I'm going to go to the next slide, and some of these circles are going to disappear, and you are going to guess what the missing partner is. So, for example, what I did is I took my pen, I'm pretty sure I used a red because I like red, and I drew a line to help me create the number partners. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side. And what I did to make this game fun is I took away the second number partner. So what your job is to help me solve the mystery of how many more number partners we need. So if I have 7 here, how many more would I need to make 8? Just 1. So our missing number partner was 1. Let's go ahead and give it a try, see how it goes. Remember, we're always doing 8. I'm missing a few over here. How many do I have right here? 6. Very good. Plus, shout it out. What is my missing number partner? 2. Very good. If I added 2 more circles onto this side, then we would have 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. Awesome job. The unknown partner was 2. Let's try another one. Ooh, tricky. So I can subitize, and I know that this is 4 plus. How many am I missing on this side to get to 8? Good job. I'm missing 4 to get to 8. I have 7 and 8. Very good. 4 plus 4 equals 8. If you said we were missing 4, you got it. This next one is the trickiest one, so I hope you are ready. How many do we have here? 3 plus. Try your best to solve the unknown partner. Did you say 5? Because if you did, you got it right. If I have 3 circles on this side, and I add 5 more on this side, then I would have 8 all together. 3 plus 5 equals 8. So our missing partner was the number 5. Great work. Now that our brains are all warmed up, we are ready for our workbook page. The first thing you always do is you pick up your erasable pencil and you write your name. I love it when my friends write their first and last name because it shows me that they are really practicing and that they care how good their name looks. I always love it when my friends do their first and last name, and it always looks so good because practice makes perfect. Next, friends, what you are doing is you are just writing the number partners for 6. They did the first row for you. They looked at how many are colored in. 1. They added a plus sign, and then they wrote how many were not colored in. 5. So the number partners for 6 on this example were 1 plus 5. Next example, they saw there were 2 colored in. They wrote a 2. They added their plus sign. Don't forget. And then they wrote how many were not colored in, which was 4. The number partners here were 2 plus 4. Let's try one together. How many are colored in? Just 1. I'm not going to forget my plus sign. I cannot be tricked. How many are not colored in? 5. Good work. Let's try one more together just to be sure that we know what we're doing. How many are colored in? 2. Do not forget your plus sign. Very important. How many are not colored in? 4. Good work. I know that you can do the front of this worksheet all by yourself. So go ahead, write all of those number partners. Do not forget to write your plus sign in between the two of them, and then you can flip it over to the back. All you are doing on the back is addition. You are adding these two numbers together. Try your best to solve them yourself. If you need to use your fingers, if you need to count on, if you need a number line, you can do anything you need to do, but you do need to do them all. It's been a long time since we've practiced addition, so be sure you have your thinking cap on and be really patient and really hardworking, and you can get through it. When you're all done, your teachers would love to see your hard work, so take a picture if you'd like to. Otherwise, we will see you another time. Work hard on math today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work.